Looking for a healthy granola with a twist? This carrot cake granola is crunchy, spiced, and naturally sweet, the perfect nutritious snack or breakfast. To a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups of rolled oats for that classic crunch. Grate a few carrots thinly. Smaller pieces are the best because they'll dry faster in the oven. The carrots will add some natural sweetness to the granola. Add the carrots to the bowl and let's build in the flavor. Toss in 3/4 cups of peanuts and a 1/3 cup of macadamia nuts for richness and healthy fats, and a 1/3 cup of sunflower seeds for extra fiber. Season with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and grate 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg to capture that carrot cake flavor. Don't forget a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Mix everything until it's well combined. In another bowl, add a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and melt it. Stir in 1 tablespoon of raw honey and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for sweetness and flavor. This is what binds everything together, giving the granola that beautiful golden crisp in the oven. Mix into a smooth paste. Pour over the dry ingredients and stir until everything is fully coated. Spread the mixture evenly on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Take it out of the oven and add some coconut flakes for texture. And did you know you can make this at home? I've linked the recipe if you'd like to try. Give everything a mix to make sure they toast evenly. Return to the oven for another 10 minutes until golden and crisp. The carrots should be completely dry and crunchy, just like the rest of the granola. It's healthy, spiced, and so crunchy. Let it cool completely to lock in the crunch, then store it in an airtight container. It's perfect over yogurt, with milk, or straight from the jar. And if you enjoy granola, check out my apple cinnamon granola recipe. I know you'll love it. See you there.